Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Black Shark Pad SE isn't charging properly. Start by checking your charging port on the left side of your device. So it's a regular USB-C, and you can try to clean it with a soft brush or some plastic or wooden toothpick. Just do not use any metallic tools, and be careful in case you are using a toothpick. Do not break it inside, and do not break anything inside of it. Generally, if you don't see any cloggage, then this mustn't be the issue. And we're gonna have to check our cable. So the cable that you're gonna have to use to charge this tablet has to support power delivery. Sometimes they have some information about it on them, like this cable has 100 watts info, which means that it can charge your device with up to 100 watts per hour, but most of them don't, so you can simply check different cables with your tablet. And the last thing is the charging brick. Well, this device only supports charging up to 10 chargers up to 10 watts, so most chargers will do. For example, this charger can withhold up to 20 watts at max, which is twice more than enough. And so anything that is 10 watts or stronger will do. And try to insert your charging cable. Then also, if you have a power saving mode enabled on your tablet, you can try to disable it. Maybe it's interfering with your charging process, so you can usually find the power saving modes right here in the control center, and from what I can see, it's unavailable during charging. And lastly, just try to restart your tablet by holding down the power button and selecting restart option on the power option screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.